Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 258, the wait operation timed out, wait timeout on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the fixes, and the first one is right click on start button and choose task manager. Task manager window will now open. Here go to process and in search field type Windows Explorer or Explorer. Select Windows Explorer and click on Restart Task from the top right corner. Restart your Windows Explorer processing through Task Manager and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open Control Panel in your system and here go to Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. Here from the left side, go to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network temporarily, and click on OK to save changes. After your issue resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall again and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. In settings page from the left side, go to apps. Here go to installed apps and here in search field look for photo app. Click on 3 horizontal dot against photo app, click on advanced options. Here scroll down and under reset, if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected, choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So if repair does not work, then reset your photos app. If repair does not work, reset your photo app and choose reset. And if repair and reset both don't work and resolve your issue, then uninstall Photos app and reinstall a fresh version of Photos app in your system. Close the window and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. And in run dialog box, type the command services services.msc and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Here under available services, look for background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and first choose a start, and if you already found it in a start mode, then restart background intelligent transfer. In my case it is a stop mode, so we will choose start, and after that apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type section and set it a startup type as automatic, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Close the windows and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system. Under available control panel items, scroll down and look for the option recovery. Click on it. Here choose open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will now open. Click on next. and here choose the system restore point from which your computer was in good state. Select it, either automatic restore point or Windows Update, and click on next, and finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event. In the description field below, choose finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the restore process. After that, restart your system. Your problem should be definitely be resolved.